a system that can send the best minds abroad, not just engineers, but architects, doctors. They come back to India and create a better system for us in India. When a child comes to me, he's very happy in the warmth of his house and he having a huge realm of support around him. And here is this kid who wants to give out all of it up, all for a dream. So he's taking off to foreign lands, a place where he's never been, knows nobody, and yet has that desire to go abroad, which is amazing.
I'm aiming to pursue my master's in information security.
There's a small thought which came up in my mind, MBA via GMAT.
Since childhood aim is to get into technical stuff of aero, how does it fly?
I plan to do MS and then basically pursue further studies in the US.
Keen on taking up research somewhere abroad.
I am second year engineering student
and I want to do further research in the pharmaceutical industry.
Crack GRE because I want to pursue my further studies abroad.
And the very first year in 87, we had only 4 kids. And today we've got 3,000 kids.
These 4 alphabets, IMFS, have become a milestone for every student who wants to go abroad and fulfill their career goals by getting them admission into their desired university.
It just doesn't cater to only the counseling needs of a student or only to the entrance tests that a student needs to take. It actually charts the way to a student's future. So that 3 to 4 years down the road, when a student looks back, the one signpost that actually stands out is IMFS.
I remember in those days it was basically me teaching GRE, the first coaching class in India. And then I got the idea, why don't we expand? Why don't we take this coaching class rather than from people coming to one destination? And that's where we branched off. So we're the first people in India to open up 2 branches of the same coaching class. And Thane did well, which egged me on to open up the 3rd center, which was in Andheri. And then we opened up the 4th one in Vashi, and then the 5th one in Borivali. When I looked at a student coming in, he needed to be comfortable, he needed to be relaxed. We have an amazing lab facility, and the machines are almost the same quality as they would face on exam day.
One of the strengths of IMFS is that over the years we have attracted some of the best Indian talent, some of the best Indian students. With our guidance and expertise, we've kind of filled the gaps in. Now when I see them, I'm very confident of their ability to perform well in the American curriculum.
Each day we meet a variety of students coming from different academic backgrounds, cultural backgrounds, economic backgrounds, and there's a place for all of them. We teach them adjustment, we teach them to be flexible, face a problem and to work around it rather than to be hindered by it.
One of the initiatives we started here was a program where we train our students to culturally adapt to the US.
I believe attention spans are 15-20 minutes. If every 15-20 minutes you can crack up the class with some anecdote. In that movie, Kajol wants to go to Europe. So you refresh them and bring them back. Now suddenly she's wearing full salwar. I've been sure I've got some great minds. Right? And these people are themselves inspired to succeed. But honestly, the experience with child starts the minute he enters the door of IMFS. We have a very vivacious young staff who are able to transfer their own passion for IMFS to the child who walks in.
IMFS has grown to a brand which is now recognized across India and the world. We've got students who have got full scores in the GRE. We've got students who've cracked some of the dream destinations. And we are now proud of a very thriving and successful IMFS alumni network spread across the world.
I might be flying to the US after I complete my engineering.
But mentally,
Trying to take off.
because of IMFS.
Takeoff to me means evolution.
Means actually looking forward to a new tomorrow.
That is the agenda in mind, that we create a system that can send the best minds abroad. They come back to India, create a better system for us in India.